I'm going to make an L-shaped sewing desk. Before I build something large, I always draw some sort of picture of it so I have an idea of what it's going to look like. It won't be exactly like this, but this gives me something to start planning and designing the desk from. I also draw exploded views of the joints in some areas so I can see just exactly how I'm going to put it together before I start working with the wood. And sometimes I make a scale model. This is a 1/8 scale model of the desk. So this kind of gives me an idea of proportions and how it will look. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that inner drawer there in the corner next to the cabinet, but this is basically what it should look like when it's finished. I purchased a lot of rough cherry from a lumber yard. Lumber is very, very expensive in Japan, and it's even more expensive if you want to buy it all planed and dimensioned already, which is one of the reasons why I do it all myself. Because I'm a traditional woodworker, I have to do it all by hand, but that just makes it all that much fun. Ha ha. I put subtitles on this video so you don't have to listen to my voice. Thanks for watching.